Hello everyone! Today, we're going to start a new video series and it is about animals. In this new series, we are going to guess the animals based on their descriptions in each item. We only have 5 seconds to guess them, so we better think fast. Are we all ready? Then let's get started. I have gray skin and 2 big ears. I have a trunk and 2 tusks on my face. I can either live in Africa or Asia. I am the largest land mammal. What am I? I am an elephant. I have black and white and sometimes orange feathers and a beak. I use my flippers to swim in the cold waters of Antarctica. I love to eat fish and krill. What am I? I am a penguin. I am gray and white in color. I can be eaten or used to get beautiful pearls for jewelry. You can also use my shells as decorations in your house. What am I? I am an oyster. I can be black, orange, brown, white, gray, or a mix of everything. I have 4 legs, 2 pointy ears, and a tail. I prefer to stay indoors all the time. What am I? I am definitely a cat. I am the largest snake in the world. I have greenish skin and dark spots on most parts of my body. I am not venomous, but I wrap my body around my prey before eating it. What am I? I am an anaconda. I am a carnivore and I am very flexible. I have 8 arms and 3 hearts. My blood is in blue color. I am also the master of camouflage. What am I? I am an octopus. I am a mammal. I have a long tail and my hair is called mane. I run fast and I love to eat grass. I participate in a lot of activities like equestrian and polo. What am I? I am a horse. I am a bird, but I can't fly. I have white, brown, gray, or orange feathers and a small beak. I am a staple in fast food restaurants. What am I? You guessed it! I am a chicken! I am an omnivore and I live in the reefs in the ocean. My color is mostly orange with big white bars. I became famous because of the movie Finding Nemo. What am I? I am a clownfish. I can be white, black, or a combination of both. I am an omnivore. I have a large head and a snout. I live on a farm and you get pork from me. What am I? I am a pig. I am the biggest and heaviest bird of all, but I can't fly. I have a long, slender neck and 2 long legs that help me run very fast. I live in the savannas. What am I? I am an ostrich. I am round and closely related to beetles. I have black spots and 6 legs. Farmers love me because I eat the pests that destroy their crops. What am I? I am a ladybug. I have gray and white fur and a fat body. I live on trees and I mostly eat eucalyptus leaves. I have 2 small eyes but big fluffy ears. I am a famous animal native to Australia. What am I? You bet I am a koala. I am not a fish, though I have it in my name. I have a skeleton and 5 arms, but I am not a vertebrate. I live on the seafloor, but I sometimes get washed up on the shore. What am I? I am a starfish. I can live both in water and on land, but I am not an amphibian. I have whiskers, thick fur, and a long pair of flippers that help me walk. I don't live in the polar regions. What am I? I am a sea lion. I am an amphibian. I have a fat body and short legs. I have dry and bumpy skin. I mostly live on land, but I need to return to the waters to lay eggs. What am I? I am a toad. I am a big predator. I have hard skin, a long body, and sharp teeth. My webbed feet and long tail help me in moving through water easily. I often live in rivers and lakes. What am I? I am a crocodile. I have black and white stripes and a short mane. I am a herbivore. I primarily live in the savannas and grasslands. Lions like to chase me as their food. What am I? I am a zebra. I am an invertebrate. I have a hard exoskeleton and a long body. I have 10 legs and 2 of them are big claws. I am dark in color, but I turn red when I am cooked. What am I? Right, I am a lobster. I love to eat grass. I live in a barn and a farmer takes care of me and other animals on the farm. I have white skin and some black spots. I give you meat and milk too. What am I? I am a cow. Did you guess it right? I am the biggest fish in the ocean. I have dark skin with lots of white spots. I often swim with snorkelers and divers that visit the islands of the Philippines and Indonesia. What am I? I am a whale shark. I have colorful feathers and a strong beak that help me crack nuts and seeds open. I am famous for my ability to mimic sounds and talk. I can also solve puzzles and learn tricks with my human. What am I? I am a parrot. I am very well known for my ability to change colors quickly. I have a long tongue to catch insects and also a long tail that is curled at the end. I sometimes have brown or green skin. What am I? I am a chameleon. I am the national bird of the United States of America. My body is covered with brown feathers, but my head and tail is white. I live near the water, so I mainly hunt fish for food. What am I? I am a bald eagle. I have a fat body, 2 small ears, 2 short legs, and a tail. I also have thick fur, and I think I am everyone's favorite pet because I am small. What am I? I am definitely a hamster. So, how did you do? Was it easy or difficult? How many items did you get correctly? You can let me know in the comment section. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to click subscribe for more fun videos like this. See you on the next one. Bye!